time for science. Last week we began the unit Protecting Our Earth. Our first module was Land, Air, and Water Pollution. We learned that pollution is anything that makes water, air, and land dirty, unfit to use. My goodness, look at my face. We pulled out some pollutants like the oil, the soap, the dirt, the soda, and experimented with them to see the changes that occur when they're added to our water. And then we ask ourselves the question, would we want to drink this? Would we want to take a bath in this? Would we want to wash our dishes with this? And the answer to each question was no. We watched videos on land and air pollution. And what we learned most importantly is that humans are the polluters. We make the land, air, and water dirty by not taking the responsibility of cleaning up after ourselves. We are ruining our planet by littering, dumping, smoking, spilling, and other ways by not cleaning up the messes that we make. This week, boys and girls, we'll be moving to Module 2. The title of this module is Help Save Our Natural Resources. Our objective, you will understand that humans use Earth's natural resources and communicate a solution that will help conserve our resources. Again, you are communicators. You'll figure out how to save our natural resources. Our vocabulary word for this week, it begins with seek. 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 Don't guess yet, because our clue is that our word means to keep, save, and protect our natural resources. Keep, save, and protect our natural resources. All right, we're going to meet two new friends today. They are having another discussion, and it's your turn to listen and decide with which friend do you agree? With which friend do you agree? Okay, here they come now. All right, boys and girls. Our science program, Inspire Science by McGraw-Hill. Our second module is Help Save Natural Resources to Protect Our Earth. All right, natural resources. Two friends have different ideas about natural resources. With which friend do you agree? Felix says, I think natural resources are things made out of natural materials. And Larry thinks, I think natural resources are things in nature that people use. Felix, things that are made out of natural materials. Larry, things in nature that people research. and girls, I'm going to wash some dishes just like you. This is our document. This is our activity sheet that I record our data. On the right side, it says your first washing. And on the left side, it says your second washing. Draw what you saw each time, draw what you see each time you wash the dishes. First time, we're going to let the water run. The second time, we're going to control the water and not let it run. We're just going to have water to wash our dishes and then water to rinse our dishes. We're going to let the water run. We're going to turn the water off. Are you ready? Question: should you leave the water running or turn it off? And tell me why. Talk to your partners and your family. All right, here I go. Communing with nature, boys and girls. And I'm letting my water run, washing the dishes. Okay, my water is up to the top. I'm turning it off now, but you see how high my water is. If I just let it keep running, it'll run over and over, won't it? All right, so now I'm going to clear my tub and I'm going to start it again. And then let's see what happens when, because the water is up to here. See, my plastic container is floating because the water is all the way up to the top. So now I'm going to change my water, empty my tub, start all over again, and see what happens when I turn the water off while I'm washing the dishes, because I can't even rinse the dishes this way. All right, be back in a minute. All right, boys and girls, I'm back again. This time I'm going to let my water run to get enough water and soap to cover my dishes. And then I'm going to stop the water and just wash. All right. Okay. Now that I've washed some dishes, now all I need to do is rinse them off. So, let the water run a little. And then I turn it off again. Let that rinse. And I'll do the other one. And then I'm through rinsing. Now I have to mark on my bucket where it was the first time. So we know that it was all the way up to here the first time, right? I'm going to put number 1 up here first. Can you see that? All right. And now the one down here is second. This is where my water level is down here. My marker is a little bit wet. All right. So when I just let the water run, you remember that my little container was all the way up floating at the top. And I had to hurry up and stop my water before it overflowed. But when I just put a little water in here, just enough to wash the dishes, then I turned it off. And I didn't turn it back on till I was ready to rinse the soap off. All right, so here we go, boys and girls. We're going to complete our document, our data sheet, and hope you remember what happened the first time you did it and what you did the second time. Talk to your partner. All right, here I go. All right, I'm going to draw my tub over here and my tub over here. And the first time, my water was all the way to the top when I finish. And my second time, my water was down here. Down at the bottom says, should you leave the water running or turn it off? And why? Well, you're going to be my partner. I'm going to say, let's turn the water off. And the reason I say that is because we use less water. And I really didn't need to use all of this water, but the water just kept going. But the second time, I was smart enough to turn off the water and just turn it back on when it was time to rinse. So if we do it the second way, we turn the water off, we're doing a good job by not using too much water. Fantastic. All right, boys and girls, the title of this story is Farm to Table. Ava's family has a farm. Their farm is small, but it gives Ava's family a lot of food. The family grows vegetation such as vegetables such as yellow corn, red tomatoes, and beans of many colors. The farm has 20 chickens that lay eggs. The cows give delicious milk every day. Ava likes the cows, but she loves the chickens. She thinks they are funny. She helps her father take care of them. The farm uses many natural resources. Ava helps plant seeds in the dark soil, and there is a river on the farm. The family uses the river to water the seeds until they grow into bright green plants. Their farm is in a sunny place. The light from the sun helps the plants grow too. Ava loves the beauty of her family's farm, and she's ready to help even more. It's a big day. Ava, can you take care of the chickens by yourself now? I think you can, Ava's father tells her. Thanks, Dad, Ava says. She goes to the little house where the chickens live. She gives them their food, and she gathers their eggs. She takes 10 eggs and puts them in a basket. As she walks back to the house, Ava doesn't see the rock in front of her, and she falls, and some of the rocks crack. Oh no, cries Ava. Now we can't sell these eggs at the farm. Farm to Table, boys and girls, was a great story, and Ava was living a great life. I bet living on a farm is a wonderful experience. So here are a few questions. What kinds of animals did Ava have on her farm? Did you say chickens and cows? You're right. All right. So now what does Ava sell at the farmer's market? Do you remember vegetables, grandfather's bread, and the eggs? Very good. All right, so now what does, this is your opinion on this one probably. What does Ava like best about living on her family farm? What do you think? I don't know. Could it be the beauty of living on the farm with all of nature around her every day? Could it be that she lives in a place where she can work with animals and nature and grow her own food? That would be a good idea. Or maybe that the soil, the sun, and the river water feed her family, help feed her family and lots of other families as well. Wow. Living on a farm is probably a really cool thing to do. We'll talk more about fun things and answering the question, how can we save our natural resources? See you Wednesday. Bye.